like vendor invoice. Okay, write down. Post vendor invoice. Post vendor invoice. FB60. Post vendor invoice FB60. Write down the path also. FB60 vendor invoice. Okay, FB60 vendor invoice. So here, give your vendor number. Four, five, six. Yeah. We'll get errors, sir. All those errors will rectify it. Debit, expenditure, Rajesh. देखेंगे वो 1 मिनट. Yeah. Write down these details, sir. Okay. Number range missing. So number range we need to maintain for leading ledger as well as non-leading ledgers also. Right now we are having 2 non-leading ledgers. For all those things also we need to maintain. Okay. Yeah. Completed, sir? Yes, sir. Completed.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes, Sneha.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, vendor is a creditor or debtor?
Vendor is creditor, right?
And customer is a debtor, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Just
See, you are
confusion.
purchasing. See, assume you are be there as a company.
Mm-hmm.
When you are purchasing something from others,
Mm-hmm.
what is going to be happen? You are going to be there as a debitor. The person who is giving the product, he is going to be there as a creditor.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, in our entry also just example, some miscellaneous.
Yes, sir.
You are taking some traveling expenditure or telephonic charges, telephonic
Mm-hmm.
bills. You are taking that one as expenditure. Your
Mhm.
expenditure is debits and the respective telephone is credit. Later
Yes,
you
sir.
will pay to him.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Write down, sir. Vendor is creditor, customer is debitor. Always remember, sir. That is golden rule, sir. We don't have any explanation for it. Number range 19. Let me know once completed so that we will go for next.
Sir, it is completed.
Yeah, okay. Number range 19, FBN1. FBN1. Go to FBN1, company code ADAA. Company code ADAA. Click on edit intervals. Click on edit intervals. Click on edit intervals. Click on edit intervals. Yeah. Plus symbol. Sorry. Click on edit intervals. Yeah. 19. 19 your number range. 2024. You take the availability of the number range, whatever the basic rule we are following. Write down, sir. Enter, save. Enter, save. Enter, save. Yeah. Now go back to FB60. Here you can see, sir. Next error. Have you remember 50,000 where we maintained? I said I will explain later. Write down this one.
I think in the tolerance group.
Write down. Okay. Yeah. Write down, sir. Tolerance error. This one is your tolerance error. This one is your tolerance error. Okay. So write down. Do changes in tolerance. What is the T code, sir? OBA4. Define tolerance groups for employees. Define tolerance groups for employees. Define tolerance groups for employees by users. Define tolerance groups for employees by users. Define tolerance groups for employees by users. Okay. T code OBA4. Path already you know it, sir. We have done the same in GL account time. So path already you know it. T code OBA4. Transaction code OBA4. Yeah. Select the company code ADAA. Select the company code ADAA. Select the company code ADAA. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it. Yeah. So here amount for open item account. Item. Here you observe, sir. Amount per open item account item 50,000. So this is what your vendor line items are by default open items. Your vendor invoices are by default open items. Okay. So here amount for open item account. This is related to your customers and vendors. Here you mentioned as 50,000. That is why we are getting error here as a 50,000. You cannot enter more than 50,000. So this 50,000, this is the control. Okay. Now I am changing it to full amount, sir. Write down, sir. Write down 10 nines you give it, sir. You give 10 nines. This one. Save. Save. Clear, sir? This field now. This field also we will see it later. 5% as cash discount. This one we will see it during cash discount time. Okay, right? How are we going to control your vendor amounts per single line item? Okay. Yeah. Now go back to FB50. Go back to FB50. Redo data entry. Redo data entry FB60. Whenever we do config change, mandatory we need to refresh screens. FB60. Redo FB60. down, sir. Okay, write down. Write down the details. Now at the time of posting, we will get non-leading ledger errors also. Enter. Document simulate. Document simulate. You can see vendor 31 posting key, which is creditor. Okay. Debit your expenditure. Document simulate post. Post.
సార్ ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ బంద్ సార్ పూర్తిగా రాయలేదు.
Okay. Okay. Document simulate post. Save. Yeah. Now you can see, sir, these are your non-leading ledger errors. Write down. Quickly write down, sir. Same way we need to do it for D2 also, we will get error. I will complete both of it, sir, at a time now. You know the reason why it is coming. Okay, yeah. Define document types for general ledger view. Define document types for general ledger view. This path already you know it, sir. So I am not going to spend any time. Define document types for general ledger view. Transaction code is FAGL_FBN1. FAGL_FBN1. FAGL Docnar. Sorry, this one. FAGL_Docnar. Okay. Define document types for general ledger view. T code is FAGL_Docnar is your T code. FAGL_Docnar. I'm executing it. Execute. Yeah. Give your ledger D1. Continue. Ledger D1. Continue. Yeah, here. Click on new entries. KR. KR is vendor invoice. Sir, number range I am taking existing one, sir. Okay. I'm not going to create new one. If I give new one, again I need to maintain number ranges. So I'm using same number range. Save.
Sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, Neha.
Sir, very little doubt I have, sir. Sir, every time, whenever you create leading ledger, at that time you give one number range. Okay, sir, like a A1,
Yeah.
A2, that one. And you are always saying that you will not create it. It is already created. Okay. So is it created at OB A7 or FBN1?
No.
That I am
See,
asking.
your document type KR is there, right?
Yeah, that I know, sir. That is created in
Yeah, this
OB.
A1 you are going to maintain. How you are maintaining 19 or 01 in document type SCA 01 you maintain, right?
Yes, sir.
For each ledger wise also we need to maintain like that.
Okay. And in which T code we are maintaining like
Yeah,
that?
that is what we are maintaining here. And to it again you need to maintain that range.
Range.
That is what we are doing here.
Okay.
Whatever we are seeing in OBA7, SCA 01, that is leading ledger level.
Yes, sir.
For non-leading ledger, we are going to maintain here, whether you are going to use 01 or A1, A2 or X1, X2, whatever it is. Against the document type, you will maintain it.
But sir, whenever you will give any A1 or A2 now, every time you will say that we will not create. It is already created and that's why we are giving. So
Yes.
if I will give A1 or A2, I know that I have not been created at before anywhere else, this A1 or A2. So I will get error, right?
Correct. Again, you need to maintain that number range.
I need to maintain that number range, okay? And that number range that you have created leading ledger or non-leading ledger, there you have maintained, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it, sir.
For A1, already we have maintained earlier case. That is why I have taken up A1. Okay. Yeah. Go back. So here for SCA, AB, if you observe, for AB I have created A1. Now if I create something here for K or if I create A2, then again I need to maintain number ranges. One more step I need to perform. That is why I am taking A1 here. Save. Next. Next, same, execute same again. I will do for the non-leading ledger D2 also. Yes, sir. This is what Sneha is asking. Here we need to maintain number ranges. So here we maintain A1. If I give A2 again, I need to maintain here again A2 or A3. Whatever the number range I'm giving, that I need to maintain here. To skip this step, I'm giving A1 itself there. Okay? Now clear, Sneha?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, now. Now we will do it for ledger D2 also. Define document types for ledger view. So take ledger D2. How many ledgers we are having to our company code? For all those ledgers we need to maintain. Enter. Quick, sir. Enter. Yeah. So AB and SA is there. So I am going to take S2 only for KR. Okay. Now you guys are clear on concept. So document type KR, number range S2. Write down, sir. Okay. Save. 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 Yeah. Okay. Now go back to FB60. Go back to FB60. Refresh the screen. Document simulate. Go back to FB60. Document simulate. Document simulate. Already we have done up to here, sir. Then post. Document simulate, post. Document simulate, post. Now you can see, sir, your document posted. Vendor invoice posted. Vendor invoice posted. Document display FB03. Document display FB03. Document display FB03. So we have posted vendor invoice, that is 19 all zeros. Your company code is ADAA, fiscal year 2024. Display document, enter. Enter. Display document, enter. Display document, enter. So you can observe, sir, here. So this is your document which has posted. Here you observe, this is your vendor account and this is your GL account. Okay, this is your expenditure account. And this is your vendor account. Here you observe, sir, GL account column. So if you observe, this is your recon account. So if you observe your vendor, in your vendor master, we have maintained, this is your vendor. Whatever we have created yesterday. That means in your last class. Okay. Here, sir. For this vendor, you have mapped your recon account. So what I said recon account? Recon account is used as a subledger postings. So it is going to map with your subledger accounting. Okay. Now your recon account 2 all zeros is mapped to your subledger vendor 61 all zeros. This is a ledger. Subledger. This is your main ledger. So you are mapping your main ledger to your subledger. That is your GL account to your vendor account. Same way it is for customers and also assets also. Okay. Yeah. Now this is what you have posted. You can observe your GL account. And the same you can observe your ledger view. So it is available for your leading ledger and also you can see for other ledgers D1 and D2. Both the ledgers also it is available and other ledger D2 also it is available. Okay. Now the other case, you just observe your balances of your GL account. If you observe your GL balance, you can see whatever the value you have posted, it is been credited, credit amount. It is updated to your GL account. Clear, sir? And the other way, you can observe your financial statement versions. ADAA, we will look it out your operational. This is why I am taking same name, sir, to remember easily. Financial statement version, you just execute. So whatever the V we want, I will take ALV, pre-stature, which is bit easy to understand. Ignore the warning. You can see, sir, earlier this liability values was not coming. Now you can see it has the value, you are able to see it. Clear? If you post to your subledger, that is your vendor account. You post to your subledger, that is your vendor account. Finally, it is appearing into your financial statements also. How it is possible means because we have mapped your subledger to your main ledger. That is your vendor account make a relationship with your reconciliation account, recon account we can say. So which we mapped here. So in your vendor master, we mapped your recon account. So whenever you do a transaction against this vendor, the values will get updated to this GL account automatically. And these values will be available in your GL account. Clear, sir? Neha, that day you have a question. Now, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, others, sir?
Sir, understand, sir.
Clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, write down, sir. Observe the document. I think you have written down. Then next, observe GL balance. Observe GL balance, FS10N. Observe GL balance, FS10N. Give the details, execute. Give the details, execute. Execute. Yeah. Observe the balances. Observe the balances. Observe the GL balances. Okay.